Hey guys, so as you can tell from the title of the video, I really wanted to put lights in these door handles. So because obviously having to pull them off to do the painting, I thought I'd have a look, and what I might do is I might drill from the centre . This is going to be the holder that I'm going to use. Hopefully it'll be okay, and I won't need to modify it. So I've just taken off the outer shell of the handle, and now I'm going to drill the holes for the main handle, for obviously to get the light to shine through. So there's the little hole I just drilled under the light. I guess I'll stick the frame back together and we'll take a look. So as you can see, that's more than adequate. So what I'm going to do is straighten that top LED up, probably bend it straight over, and then I'm just going to put it to the dome light. So when the car's opened, obviously the door lights light up, or the door handles light up. And that's it then, guys. Thanks for watching.